Prince Harry's drug-taking central to court challenge over his admittance into the United States of America. The Duke of Sussex wrote about his use of marijuana, psychedelics, cocaine in his controversial memoir Spare earlier this year. The US government is said to be challenged in court over its decision not to show the reasoning behind admitting Prince Harry into the US, despite his admission of illegal drug use in his book. Harry's reference to taking cocaine, marijuana, psychedelics, mushrooms in his book prompted a conservative Washington, D.C. think tank to question why Harry was allowed to enter the U.S. in the first place. The Heritage Foundation brought a lawsuit against the Department of Homeland Security, the DHS, after a Freedom of Information Act request was rejected, claiming it was immense public interest. The think tank is to argue the widespread and continuous media coverage was brought into question whether the Duke was properly vetted by the US government. But the DHS said swift release of the documents would not be in public interest and questioned how widespread the media coverage of the issue had been. Both parties are set to argue the case in the federal court for the first time in Washington today, Tuesday. It is very unclear when the court will make a final decision over whether the documents can be released. In his controversial book Spare, Harry said cocaine didn't do anything for me, adding that marijuana is different. That actually really did help me a lot. The Heritage Foundation lawsuit argues that the US law generally renders such a person ineligible to enter the country. It comes as Prince Harry is set to give evidence in a London High Court today in the UK in his individual case against the Mirror Group newspapers over alleged unlawful information gathering. So guys, with that we have come to an end of this episode. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time. Bye bye.